It's surprising that many firms still believe that the way to develop an application is to list out a bunch of requirements, ship it off to a developer, and wait for their application back. And in the end, they end up with an application that users can't figure out or don't even care about. What you have to realize is that to the user interface is the application. They don't care about all the hard work and the code that goes in the background. All they care about is what they see in front of them and how they interact with that interface.
What we do is we try to understand through various techniques of surveying, talking to your market, of really finding out what a consumer is looking for in a user experience.
We figure out what users will be using the application, how they'll be using it, and we put ourselves in their shoes. We go through what they're thinking about, what they're feeling, what it will be like when they click on one thing and what they'll see next. And these stories will really then feed into wireframes, which are sometimes hand-drawn or computer-aided designs that start to bring your application to life. It's this critical step that really will make or break your application. It's only after this that you really get an understanding of what your application will look and feel like that we even engage our design team. It's this critical step in the beginning that makes all the difference in your application. Every extra hour spent here will save 10 hours plus of rework or wasted time at the end of your project. SmashBrand is really a software design firm. The main difference between software design and software development is that critical step we've been talking about. It's really thinking about the user, thinking about the application from their perspective, and only designing and beginning the software development after that part is all figured out. We spend a lot of time on research and understanding your market. This is a really critical piece because we need to understand who you're building this for and who your customers are so that we can build visuals or design that's going to speak to your customers. How they interact with the application, what they click, what they see, and what they do is what makes the application successful or not.